Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share a simple story with you. A story about a boy named Aarav. Aarav was a quiet boy. He was smart, he was kind, but he had one huge fear. He was terrified of speaking English. Every single time he wanted to say something, his heart would start pounding, his hands would turn cold, and his mind would just go completely blank. In school, when the teacher asked, "Who can answer this?" Aarav always knew the answer, but he stayed silent. He was scared that people would laugh at him. He was scared of making mistakes. He was scared of being judged. Then one day, something changed. A new teacher joined the class. She had a calm and gentle smile. She told the students, "Making mistakes isn't failure. Making mistakes means you are learning." Those words really struck a chord with Aarav. That very night, Aarav stood in front of his mirror. He looked right at his reflection and said slowly, "Hello. My name is Aarav." It wasn't perfect. He stumbled, he paused, but he tried again. Every single day, he practiced for just 5 minutes, speaking to himself, reading out loud, listening carefully. The days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Then, one day in class, the teacher asked a question. This time, Aarav slowly raised his hand. His voice wasn't flawless, and his grammar wasn't perfect, but his courage was strong. He spoke, and guess what? No one laughed. In fact, some of his classmates even smiled encouragingly. That day, Aarav learned a powerful lesson. Confidence doesn't just appear out of nowhere. Action has to come first. If you wait until you feel confident, you might be waiting forever. But if you just start, if you take that first step, confidence will eventually find you. So, my friend, if you are afraid to speak English, I want you to remember Aarav's story. Start small. Speak slowly. Embrace your mistakes, because one day, you will look back and be so thankful that you never gave up. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to follow for more inspiration.